Hi, my name is Anya, and I really want to make something nice for my mom, and she really likes gooseberries. So for today, I'll be making some gooseberry and dark chocolate cupcakes. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
In a bowl with 1 tablespoon of sugar, add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour and a 1/3 cup of cream cheese. Mix until a smooth paste forms. I'm using 70% dark chocolate, but in case you don't have dark chocolate, I have also made this recipe with milk chocolate, and it tastes just as nice. Next is the gooseberry compote. In a saucepan over medium heat, add in 3/4 cup fresh gooseberries and sprinkle over a 1/4 cup of sugar. As you stir the mixture, press down onto the berries with the back of a wooden spoon to break them. This will relieve the juice from the berries and moisten the sugar. Keep mixing until the mixture has thickened slightly. I cooked mine for 5 to 8 minutes. Remove from the heat and allow it to cool. This is nice enough to use as jam, but for today we'll be using it in our cupcakes. Next is the vanilla cupcakes. In a bowl with 1½ cups of flour, add in a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons baking powder. Give it a mix to incorporate the ingredients. Next, add in 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 egg that has been beaten, and 5 tablespoons of oil. Give this a mix until a smooth batter forms. Spoon batter into a lined baking tray. Spoon 1/2 teaspoon of the cream cheese mixture on top of each cupcake. This cream cheese mixture is going to add some creaminess to the cupcakes. Next, add in a piece of dark chocolate into each cupcake. Spoon about 1 teaspoon of the gooseberry mixture onto each cupcake. You can swirl this in if you want. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Enjoy some yummy gooseberry and dark chocolate cupcakes.